If you can score at least 32 out of 40 on this mixed grammar quiz, your English skills are seriously impressive. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Hit that subscribe button right now to lock in your luck, and let's begin. Question 1. What is the plural of cat? The correct answer is option B, cats. Question 2. What is the opposite of big? The correct answer is option B, small. Question 3. What does the idiom piece of cake mean? The correct answer is option A, very easy. Question 4. Fill in the blank with the correct option. The correct answer is option A, good at. Question 5. What is the plural of dog? The correct answer is option B, dogs. Question 6. What is the opposite of hot? The correct answer is option B, cold. Question 7. What does the idiom once in a blue moon mean? The correct answer is option B, very rarely. Question 8. Choose the correct preposition. The correct answer is option A, on. Question 9. What does the idiom hit the books mean? The correct answer is option B, study hard. Question 10. Fill in the blank with the correct option. The correct answer is option A, on. Question 11. What does the idiom spill the beans mean? The correct answer is option C, reveal a secret. Question 12. Complete the sentence with the correct word. The correct answer is option D, 4. Question 13. What does the idiom break the ice mean? The correct answer is option D, start conversation. Question 14. Fill in the blank with the correct option. The correct answer is option C, of. Question 15. What does the idiom under the weather mean? The correct answer is option C, sick or ill. Question 16. Choose the correct answer.
The correct answer is option D, on. Question 17. What does the idiom cost an arm and a leg mean? The correct answer is option C, very expensive. Question 18. Fill in the blank with the correct option. The correct answer is option B, 2. Question 19. What does the idiom burn the midnight oil mean? The correct answer is option C, work late. Question 20. Choose the correct preposition. The correct answer is option D, on.
Question 21. What does the idiom bite the bullet mean? The correct answer is option B, face difficulty. Question 22. What does the idiom the ball is in your court mean? The correct answer is option B, it is your decision. Question 23. Complete the sentence with the correct word. The correct answer is option B, in. Question 24. Which word is a synonym of begin? The correct answer is option B, start. Question 25. What is the plural of foot? The correct answer is option C, feet. Question 26. What is the opposite of rich? The correct answer is option B, poor. Question 27. What does the idiom call it a day mean? The correct answer is option B, stop working. Question 28. Fill in the blank with the correct option. The correct answer is option C, in. Question 29. Which word is a synonym of difficult? The correct answer is option C, hard. Question 30. What is the plural of woman? The correct answer is option B, women. Question 31. What is the opposite of love? The correct answer is option B, hate. Question 32. What does the idiom miss the boat mean? The correct answer is option B, be too late. Question 33. Choose the correct answer from the options. The correct answer is option B, 2. Question 34. Which word is a synonym of wealthy? The correct answer is option B, rich. Question 35. What is the plural of fish? The correct answer is option C, fish. Question 36. What is the opposite of start? The correct answer is option B, finish. Question 37. What does the idiom see eye to eye mean? The correct answer is option C, agree. Question 38. Fill in the blank with the correct option. The correct answer is option C, at. Question 39. Which word is a synonym of smart? The correct answer is option B, intelligent. Question 40. What is the plural of city? The correct answer is option B, cities. Out of 40 mixed grammar questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Thank you for playing.